I'm delighted that all of you can join us this morning for the launch of SanlamAllianz in Kenya. It is really a significant milestone for our businesses here and also across the continent of Africa to be able to leverage, what I want to say, two top brands. One being Sanlam, which is possibly, well, not possibly in my mind, the strongest insurance brand in Africa. And then, and this is official, that Allianz is the #1 insurance brand in the world. And between these two entities, there are more than 240 years collective insurance expertise and experience. And that is what we try to bring to the market in Kenya and all across Africa. When we announced the joint venture in May 2022, now that was quite a long period, a long time ago actually, our ambition was clear. We want to improve non-banking financial services for all the economies, clients and communities in all the markets, the 26 markets where we operate. The launch in Kenya supports this goal to expand financial inclusion with innovative and diverse financial services, while, and this is very important when you're insurance, to ensure financial security to everybody that deals with us, not for now, but also for the years to come. We make promises for the future. And in the end, it is about creating and sharing value between all the stakeholders that are involved, not only the shareholders, but I really want to emphasize it is all about shared value creation wherever we operate. As said, between Sanlam and Allianz, we've got more than 240 years of insurance and asset management experience, and this is what we're bringing to the market. We want to leverage from this joint scale the knowledge and experience that was built up over many, many years. We believe that everyone, irrespective of your income level, irrespective of your status in society, should have access to relevant and appropriate financial services. And our aim is to deliver on this ambition in the years to come in Kenya and all across Africa. Also important is that we are committed to support economic development in the countries where we operate, inclusive growth and economic development. This includes everything from creating new products on a micro-level basis to the retail client to supporting capital markets in the countries where we operate. We are dedicated to create jobs. The whole idea is to grow our businesses and in that process to create jobs, especially also for young people. We've seen lots of issues across the continent lately where younger people are feeling the pressure of unemployment and of rising living costs. And it's our jobs as responsible businesses to help to grow our businesses. And we want to help small businesses to position themselves and to thrive in the markets where they operate. We want to give them security in times of difficulties. And through this, we will contribute to Kenya's overarching economic objectives. We recognize, I've already referred to this, that currently there are lots of global challenges and uncertainties. Climate change, rising living costs, all of that. Africa is very vulnerable, and we as SanlamAllianz will play a role to help to address this uncertainty and to play a sustainable role in the future. We will continue to champion and drive financial inclusion across Africa. Insurance penetration is low. It's not easy to increase it. We have to work with our competitors, we have to work with regulators to achieve this. But we will continue to strive to drive financial inclusion and to adapt and contribute to the societal needs of the communities we operate in. Coming back to you, the media, We firmly believe in the power of the media to shape our society. In these times, also given social media, and I have to admit I'm not the biggest user or fan of it, well, let's say all the fake media. But you all know social media brought a lot of challenges, and that made your role even more important than before. Your role extends beyond reporting the news. You help to shape public opinion and to influence policy in the markets and industries where we operate. I come from the Sanlam background, so Sanlam has always championed the media through the Sanlam Summer School for Financial Journalists and the Sanlam Group Awards for Excellence in Financial Journalism. For years, the Summer School has been a cornerstone for training financial journalists across Africa. And since 1974, the Sanlam Group Awards for Excellence in Financial Journalism have created outstanding journalism, fostering transparency and accountability across Africa. With the formation of SanlamAllianz, we will continue to work with our shareholders to support journalism across the continent. We look forward to our continued partnership with all of you as we build stronger, more resilient, and client-centric insurance businesses across the continent and also here in Kenya. Our goal is for every generation to be in a better financial position than the previous generation, with greater financial well-being, better education, and more opportunities. I'm confident that when we work all together, we can help to create this also here in Kenya. Thank you for joining us on this historic occasion. Enjoy the rest of the morning with us. And please, don't publish this, please promote SanlamAllianz. Thank you very much.